Another spectacular season of Broadway theater is underway at the DuPont Theatre. Frost Nixon stars Stacy Keach as Richard Nixon in a new Tony Award-winning Broadway hit by Peter Morgan, author of screenplays for the films The Queen and The Last King of Scotland. Frost Nixon runs December 9th through 14th. On February 6th and 7th, 2009, the DuPont Theatre will preview the national Broadway tour of Fiddler on the Roof, starring Topol, the original film's star. Wilmington audiences will be the first in the world to see this legendary performer reprise his career-defining role even before the national tour launches later in February. In another coup that brings the stars to Wilmington, An Evening with PATTI LUPONE and MANDY PATINKIN takes the stage March 10th through 15th, 2009. Fresh from LUPONE's Best Actress in a Musical Tony Award-winning performance in GYPSY, the DuPont Theatre is one of a few select cities to secure the performances of these two Broadway titans. The 2005 Best Musical mega-hit SPAMALOT has audiences everywhere laughing until it hurts. Killer rabbits invade Wilmington for the first time in this lovingly ripped-off Monty Python's Holy Grail super-spoof running from March 24th through 29th. The 25th annual Putnam County Spelling Bee is a heartwarming Broadway hit musical about spellers and teachers who learn that winning isn't everything, and losing doesn't make you a loser. You have until April 14th through 19th to brush up. Audience participation is part of the fun. Ain't Misbehavin' closes the Broadway series from May 5th through 10th with the swinging, sassy, and sultry Harlem Renaissance music of Fats Waller. American Idol's Ruben Studdard plays Fats, and Frenchie Davis takes over Nell Carter's role in this 30th anniversary tour. Broadway and Beyond's two less traditional non-subscription shows this season feature world-class musical experiences. It's been a hard day's life. They've been going in and out of style, but they're guaranteed to raise a smile. Rain, a tribute to the Beatles, is Beatlemania as it hits Wilmington November 21st through 23rd.
Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. We'll shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. It was 40 years ago today. Thought you better not about to play. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Will still need me, will still need me when I'm 64. Ooh, don't look at you, oh. Still my guitar, can't free. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together.
The 10 Tenors return to Wilmington from Down Under by popular demand. They have a brand new show entitled Nostalgica, A Journey of Musical Memories, May 15th through 17th, 2009. Tickets for individual shows and 6-play Broadway series subscriptions are on sale now. DuPont Theatre is located in the DuPont Building at 1007 Market Street in downtown Wilmington. For information and to purchase tickets, you can call the DuPont Theatre box office at 1-800-338-0881 or go to their website at www.duponttheatre.com.